Hi, I'm Nikita and I'm a graphic designer. I'm currently working part time with two companies where I design creative marketing content and promotional material. In the first half of my day, I'm working as an intern at Explain. The professional internship program at UC Berkeley Extension was very instrumental in helping me procure this internship. And in the second half, I'm working with a real estate marketing startup known as Urbani Marketing. The deciding factors for me while choosing this program were it had great selection of courses, it was affordable, and the class timings were really accommodative of the schedules of working professionals because most of the classes are in the evening. These courses are really accessible and flexible. Due to the pandemic, all the classes were made available online, and there were many opportunities and methods to stay connected with my teachers and classmates. I got an opportunity to design a website for the 130th anniversary of UC Berkeley Extension, which I won as a part of the contest of my web design class. Keeping in mind the style of the Berkeley website, I wanted the design to be clean, minimal, and simple. And for that, I kept a consistent layout throughout all the pages. The main aspects that I focused on while designing it were smooth user experience, consistency, and image management. And the design went through a structured process of wireframing, prototyping, and finally coding. Every course was directed towards practical learning and creating projects that were very relevant to current trends in the industry, whether it was logo design or brochure or ad campaigns. And because of these projects, I was able to create a professional portfolio. I would recommend this course to anyone who wants to pursue a career in graphic design because after completing it, I feel that it was not enough to be creative. It is important to know how to make a design convey a meaning or a purpose, and this program at UC Berkeley Extension has trained me for that.